Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video for you guys. If you want to see what look I come up with, then just stay tuned and keep watching. So I'm going to start off with brows. For brows I'm going to be using my Kat Von D in the shade Walnut. I believe this is the 7B brush. It's a dual-ended brush. I do like to go in with a clear brow gel first, and I'm going to be using my Benefit one. Just going to run that all over my brows. Then I just wait a couple seconds and then kind of comb them into place. So I'm just pushing them, kind of giving them a shape. And this just makes my brows look fuller. Okay, I've never done brows on camera, so I'm gonna try to do this for you guys. And I'm just doing brow, like hair strokes. I'm going to go in with my 195 brush with my Studio Finish Concealer and NW15, and I'm just going to clean up my brows. Just with any buffer brush. Same thing on the other side. Then I immediately follow that with my MAC Studio Moisture Cream. I just go in with my hands. Make sure your hands are clean. And my face is gonna turn really red right now. I don't know why, I put anything on it and it always turns red. I have sensitive skin on my face, so don't mind that. I'm also gonna add, because I'm gonna be going in with lipstick later. I don't want my lipstick to be dry, so I'm gonna go in with my Aquaphor Lip Repair. It's my eye cream. So I'm just rubbing that in. Okay, so I let all my skincare sit on my face while I do my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and actually prime my eyes. And I'm going to be using, you guys know, my Painterly paint pot from MAC. I'm just going to use the same brush I was using earlier. And I do bring it into my inner corner area. Now that we have the brows and the skincare all done, I'm going to start with my shadows. So I'm going to go in with Soft Teddy from the new Monochromatic line from MAC. And I'm going to take that on my Smith Cosmetics 232 brush. Looks like this. So I'm going to apply it towards my outer portion of the eye, like my outer V. So wherever your brush touches first, that's gonna always be your darkest area. And I'm just kind of applying it liberally. So it's always good to have like a mirror up close, and then one that you can see yourself a little bit further back, just so you can get two perceptions on what it is that you're doing. I like to tap my shadows kind of onto my lid. And don't be too worried if you get any transfer at the bottom. We should be able to clean that up afterwards. So now with my original 232 brush, I'm just gonna blend the edges. And then going back in with my flat brush from MAC, I'm just gonna pat a little bit more product, just a little bit higher up. I'm gonna take a little bit more of this soft teddy, and that's gonna go on my original brush I applied it with. And I'm really just gonna work that in. If you want this to be a little bit more vibrant, just use a little bit of Fix Plus on your brush to get it a little bit damp. Now I'm gonna go in again with my original brush and the soft teddy shade. I'm gonna go in with Last Dance. Then I'm just gonna take a clean brush and then just really blend those edges. The lashes that I will be using today are the new Ardell 3D Foam Ink lashes, and these are in the style 853. And I also picked up the new Duo Quick Set Striplash Adhesive. It's formaldehyde free and latex free. So I went ahead and picked this little guy up. Okay, so it has a different type of applicator. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's not a brush, but like it looks like a paddle. That's interesting. The trick into applying lashes is you hold your mirror underneath and then you lay your lashes on top while you're looking down into your mirror. Okay, so then you just kind of adjust them or push them into place. Okay, like I seriously like this glue. It's already on there. Well, that was quick. Okay, Duo. And I'm just gonna run that along the base just to cover the band. And notice how I'm not giving myself like a wing. I'm literally just covering the band. Okay, so the wand looks like this. Okay, and I'm just gonna apply this on my lashes, but not actually bring it up to my false lash. So what this does is just, it kind of marries the two lashes together. Studio Fix Fluid in the shade C4. I'm going to also mix a little bit of my Prolong with Concealer in the shade NC20. I'm going to take 2 pumps of C4 and then 1 pump of NC20. I love this brush to apply foundation just because it's not going to soak up any of the product like a beauty blender or a beauty sponge will. So if you're dry and have dry patches, you do not want to like buff like this because it's just going to pick up any dead skin. Instead, do tapping motions like this so it doesn't lift any dead skin. And you also want to exfoliate if you do have dry patches. it's gonna help your skin look smoother. And I like to really press this in. Now I'm gonna go in with some Tarte Shape Tape, and that is in the shade Light. So I kind of let it sit there for a second or two, but since my camera keeps shutting off, I'm just gonna blend. I feel like I have a lot of like first impressions in here because I'm actually going to use something else that I just got. I just realized it, so. I'm actually going to take this guy. I've never used this before. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And I got mine in the shade Fair, so hopefully it's not too light. But I just want it to set my under eye. It's a mineral-based formula that helps control shine and smooth skin's texture, lightweight, translucent coverage, fresh, natural look, can be used alone or over foundation. So just that much. Really excited. I've never used this before. Okay, it's not as light as I thought it was gonna be, so I was a little bit scared that I had gotten the powder too light, but I actually like this. So I just go in with this guy just to make sure there's not like a cast of powder on my brows. I just kind of add a little bit more coverage. Now I'm gonna go in with my 109 brush from MAC, a Hoola Light bronzer from Benefit. I wanted to change it up because I always use my MAC bronzer in the shade Delicates, but it's discontinued, so I figured I'd do something that you're still able to get. So I'm just warming up the face with this. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with, I don't know what shade this is because it's rubbed off, but it's from Cover FX. Sorry, if I find the shade, I'll list it for you guys. I don't really contour my nose, but just like whatever's left, I just kind of do this sometimes. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply that here. It doesn't have to be perfect, I just apply it really like messily. So I like my under eye to be really like blown out. So I'm just gonna take this guy and just start working it into my bottom lash line. Okay, and then just any clean brush. This is in the shade Every Day is Sunshine, and I'm going to use that as the inner corner highlight. Okay, so my battery died. So as you can see, I started doing my inner corner on this side, and then I was blending it on this side before it shut off. So again, I'm just applying this with a pencil brush. That inner corner highlight is everything. So I'm just going to use this, the same one from earlier. I'm obsessed with this inner corner. Snow Flushed highlighter, it's really pretty. Peekaboo Neutral Lip Liner from NYX. It's a little bit deeper. Anytime I want my eyes to be the main focus, I go in with a neutral lipstick, so I'm gonna go in lightly. Okay, I'm just applying that all over. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe. And hopefully I have a video up for you guys next week. I'm trying to get a schedule for you guys. Please just bear with me. Thank you so much for watching and hope you guys have a great day.